I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. And remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
The 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.